Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Happy FOMC day. May interest rates always go your direction. Absolutely. What a big day today is. We will be live in the morning and this afternoon. So today's quote, and this is from what is called the Amplified Bible. And the only reason I use this today is I want to make sure you know about the Amplified Bible. And what it does is kind of adds a little extra information for clarity. It gives you some other words, some synonyms, something similar. So he chose us in Christ. And then you see the brackets. Actually selected us for himself as his own before the foundation of the world so that we would be holy. You're like, what does holy mean? That is consecrated, set apart for him, purpose-driven, and blameless in his sight in love. I use the Amplified Bible in my Logos Bible study software. In fact, one of my members, as a gift of appreciation, got me a gift card to Logos to help build my biblical library, and I appreciate that, sir. I appreciate that. So that's today's quote. He chose us in Christ before the foundation of the world so that we would be holy and blameless in his sight. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's get into it. But before we do, a word from our sponsor. Now it's time for America's favorite game show.
Trap the Trader! Yay!
Now it's time for everyone's favorite category.
Check it out.
Over leveraging, revenge trading, blowing your accounts. I just love resets. And FAFO. And now let's meet today's contestants. Johnny, I just have to trade every day, Johnson.
Hey, Bob, happy to be here.
Sam, never saw a short I didn't short, Stevens. Hey. And Malcolm, make matters worse, Montgomery.
Who told you that?
And everyone's favorite, back with a fresh 10 set of accounts, Rusty Reset Roberts.
Not today, Bob.
And Freddie FOMO Fredrickson.
FOMO.
And of course, our returning champion, Patrick Predict Price Patterson.
It's going up today, Bob.
Remember, traders, it's all fun and games until the market opens. And until next time, don't become a victim of...
Trap the Trader!
All right, guys, don't become a victim of Trap the Trader. So let's get into it. Welcome to the AM Briefing brought to you by microstrader.com, where together we trade better. Episode 228. So today should be pretty quick, by the way. So let's just get right here into it. Yes, price can go there. It was great because last night I produced a video that showed all my trades on YouTube Live yesterday. And one of my members made a comment on the video. And he says, sometimes you'll point out these locations and it's like, we're not going that far. And then all of a sudden we're there. So yes, price can go there. So don't just be focused like on a 3-minute, okay? You know what I mean? Like sometimes you got to, not sometimes, all the time you have to be zooming out and looking. So today's news drivers, well, guys, we got red folders all day long. So today is the level 10 of all level 10s of level 10s with extra bonus points, I think. And of course, special message from Powell. He wishes you good luck today. All right, so let's get to the chart. But the first thing I want to make sure you know of is about the TradingView paper trading competition. I've joined it 2 or 3 times, and to be honest, I kind of forget about it. So this time, as a group, we're going to try to trade this little, not trying to forget about it, but it's called The Leap. It's free to sign up for on TradingView, and I encourage my members maybe to sign up for it. You do get to trade additional or different instruments. Here, let's read contest rules real quick. What instruments are available to trade? It's over here on the side. Sorry, you can't see it so much here. Let me slide that over. There we go. You got the S&P. Looks like you got a couple currencies, natural gas and oil. So like if you've always wanted to trade oil, with our system and see how that works. Maybe you trade oil as part of this competition. So something to consider. So let's get on the chart. So last night I put a little poll up in our Discord group. What do you think's going to happen today? Less than 50 points, 50 to 100, more than 100, and as a bonus category, 100 both directions. It's kind of funny because what happened yesterday? Well, let's look at this. We went down about 100 points, and then what did we do? We came back 100 points. This isn't even FOMC day. We went 100 and 100. We went from strong level to strong level to strong level, like to the tick. To the tick. If you were live on my Zoom yesterday, we talked about this a couple times, and I capped it and I recapped it in the video yesterday showing my trades. And look at us, we're right back at this strong level. And above here, I have other strong levels that we'll see while we're live on Zoom. Certainly, this is not a short. You'd better have some solid rules in place of when can I short an uptrend. And of course, we're going to have a monster gap up. My goodness, you're talking about level 10 trading conditions on steroids. Today might be the day you say no to the chart. Because if you can't say no to the chart, one day you might be forced to. Learn to walk away. Learn to watch price action and not have your DOM open. Or say, you know what, today I'm going to come into TradingView and I'm going to go to the trading panel and I'm going to go paper trading and I'm going to practice chart trading today. What a great day to practice chart trading, okay? Do you have to be in your cash account today? Do you have to be in your funded accounts today? Heck, do you even have to be in an eval account today? You certainly don't. It's certainly a day many people are going to YOLO evaluation accounts and pass with one trade in one day. Is that a repeatable model over time? No. And I think anything you do with that contributes to improper money management, improper risk management is a detriment to you long term. That's my humble opinion. I'm not going to go any deeper on the chart than this, other than wishing you good luck and to be careful today. Let's go and take one peek here at everybody else. So NQ, once again, not NQ, ES is the strongest, but we're all upward slanting. VWAPs, we all seem to be laddering down. Of course, Dow's having a bit of a move back to VWAP, but none of this tells you to be short, does it? So be careful countering this type of move because it certainly looks like strength is on their side. I mean, look at all these irrational movements in price that aren't being retested. This signifies the strength of the move. It's one of the little telltales we look at in our group is irrational price action occurring directionally. If it is, should you be countering it? It is real easy to come here and say, you know what, here's kind of this trend line. In fact, what I would do, I would come in here. In fact, it's exactly what I'm going to do. I would draw this on here. I would just draw this on here and go, yep, I can't counter until something breaks. Now, what's happening here that's interesting? Well, on a 30-minute chart, this might be nothing more than, well, I take that back. We've spent a lot of time up here. I don't know why I was going to say that. This could just be a wick on this high time frame level. Let's go to an out. Here, let me delete this. Let me remove this. Let me remove these strong levels, which, by the way, you get as a member of my group. I update the strong levels once or twice a week. It's not something that changes daily. So here is the high time frame trend lines. And yesterday we touched that to the penny, and we've had this on here. Now it looks like we're getting up over it. So what would I be looking for here? I'll tell you what I'd be looking for. If I wanted to go long, now this is also going long in the top of, I mean, this is pretty easy to see, right? This is a back and forth range. But if price decided to come back and back test this, this could, if I have a level there, I'll have to drill down in time frames. If I have a level there, back test this trend line, this could represent a good long, but you are going long in the top of the range. not the best trade location. What do I do if I'm going to enter a trade not in the best trade location? Small, if at all, and never making things worse by adding to a loser because I know this is not the greatest trade location. Plus, it's hard to ignore it's FOMC, non-farm payroll in 2 days. The morning should represent some opportunities, but we have had 100-point run. I, I don't know what's going to happen. If I trade, it will be small, if at all, and it will be very protective. If it doesn't touch and go, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm not going to be in a hope and a prayer trade, and I don't recommend you do that either. So may interest rates go your direction, guys. Have a great day. I'll see my traders live on Zoom here soon.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.